Welcome back, Cloud Cadets. In this video, we will get started with Azure DevOps. Now, when you're first starting out, we're in the Azure Portal, and we can navigate there. If you don't see it here, you can search for Azure DevOps, and we click on this link. And we can see here this link, My Azure DevOps Organizations. When we click on that, we are navigated here. They need a few more details apparently. I don't want more tips. You might want some. That's up to you. I'll click continue. And then we come to this page. And from here, the first thing we need to do is create a new organization. And I'll click just continue here. And here I get to choose my organization name. And I'll call it Azureverse. And we'll host it. I guess the closest region for me is Europe. I'll pick that. You can pick your closest. And oh boy, will I manage this? N6SQ. Continue. Yeah, I did it. Now we wait a few hours. I hope you are patient. And now we are here. This is the organization page. And you see here to the left, we will have a list of all organizations we have created. And currently I only have one, but you can click here to create another. And here I'll select a boring name called Sandbox. And it says by default, we can only select private. Let's see. There should be a way to choose more options. But I guess for the first time, we can only choose the default. We will get into why that's terrible. We'll get to back to that later. So now we're here. Now you saw it's quite annoying to have to navigate all this way there. Sure, every time you log in to the Azure Portal, that's one step. Then you can click here, or you can add it there, like we've shown in other videos. Like for example, if I go to all services here, I can write Azure DevOps. I can favorite it. I can move it a bit higher, perhaps. We'll put it just below. I'll just put it here. So we'll click there, we get here. Then we click here, we get to this page where we'll have an overview of our organizations. I can click here to navigate to my organization, and I can then press on my project here, where I could have gone directly to the project here. But you see there's a lot of steps here. Now there's another link. If you search for devazure.com, this automatically gets us here. So you might want to bookmark that. So this is it for this video, to keep it short and digestible. And in the next video, we'll dive deeper in one of the other parts of it. Until the next uplink.